For that performance. Once again, thank you to my the Gold Status celebration of Uzagwe. Right now, I want to bring up the man of the hour, the man himself, Uzagwe. Can you please join us on stage with a few words? Mr. Gold Status in the building, so I want to bring up time to play celebration.
Oh, sanibonani. Hey, ngiyaxolisa ukunibambezela kangaka. Kusuke kwakuningi manje, TV ngapha, iredio ngapha, sengiyislomo nje. So shout out to Mabala Noise, thank you so much. Ukufika kuleli zinga akukho lula, especially njengamanje njengoba hip hop ingathengisi nje sidala kunzima. Not just the hip hop but wonke ama-genre kuthanda kuba nzima. So especially for me inkampani yami Mabala Noise ingifukule kunzima ngisesikhathini la I didn't have any company, any nothing. Bafika bathi cha thina sisakholelwa kuwena njengoZagwe. You know, the first album engayikhipha was 2011, 2015 ngayikhipha ngahamba kahle. And nami ngase ngiphelelwe na umoya wokucula nje sengithi hayi awuthi ngenze nje. You know, they showed me love, they believed in me. Basithatha bazosifaka nase Universal, but today kuyahluma. So inkampani ngikuyona ngithanda kakhulu. Thank you so much to the King Flower. Ngiyabonga ku Squeaks. They always believe in me, bengipusha ndoda if isingili keeper, you know what I mean? And I'd like to also thank my family abakhona namhlanje ngoba ngaba ngikho la kube uma ungizalayo ngicela nange lapha ukhona naye namhlanje for the first time. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Khona nodadewethu khona la. You know, ukhona nomkami sukuma bakubona mkami. Yeah, so yeah. And most importantly, this album would have not been a success without this kid here. His name is XWise. He produced the whole album, 17 Roots. Ngiyabonga. His name is XWise, all the way from Mlazi. You know. So, and I'd also like to thank Umfowethu, who's very instrumental in bringing back Immoral Yami as Zawe. His name is Umzwa. I was also my manager, so shout out to my brother, shout out to Umfowethu, and I'm Shady. So right now, the next song that I'm going to perform, before I even move on, thank you so much to the radio stations who revived Zawe and revived Zawe's career, you know what I mean, and said, Sisazophinda sidlale. Ngiyabonga kakhulu to Universal, to Mapala Noise, to Itoti by Nature, they are here. Shout out to Baba Kids, Big Pusha, you know what I mean. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to the event organizers who believe in Zawe, you know, your junior lovies. Shout out to you, my king. Shout out to every event organizer. Shout out to the compilers. Nkubeka nje nisidlale ngikhipha isingiletha so nkubeka nisifakele umoya. Ngicela ukuthi ningifakise umoya nje sithi ngeke ngidlalela abo 70. Ngeke ngidlalela abo 70. Ngeke ngidlalela abo 70. Umlilo thembe ngo paraffin. I want to perform my new song featuring Tribal. It's very close to my heart. Igama la ibizwa ngokuthi Ngiyabonga. And namanje ngiyabonga kakhulu for bringing back Zawe. The album is now gold. Thank you so much. I said yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm young. Asayeke phefumule kakhulu nje.
Makhona ngiyabonga nakuthina.
Yeah. Yeah, this is it. Iyona lengoma ngizodeba kuyona. Iyona lengoma esazobhulela ungakhona. This is me. Nakunye bekushe ngekhetha ukukloma. Okunye amaruma but kwafika mina nakloma. Nithi ngideba ngisheshe too much. Emeva ngiyenza sense. Waligolide ngidayisile and that was making sense. What about this demo? Is the arguments that we have between the companies. And I was clutching between that one hands. Been up by for so many years. Every time I'm blaming, choosing being with them. Now I'm said to say now they couldn't see that. Ngoba ngisoshefe nephini ngihlale ngiphepha ama-plan but baba ngiyabonga ngithalentele Zawe nebantu bana beshela zobhuka after iminyaka emhlanga but I'm here ngibatuza hefu umzansi uyancanya juja ngapha nangapha emagasi mamntwana baba more than anything bonke media nama-promoters abe bekubhuka bekusha because of my persona when I drunk and sober sabe skila never was cloner nobody made me ngaphandle
Oh yeah, I want to say thank you to everybody. Yeah, thank you for my eating. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So now. Naketupa kumoya for a breath of fresh air. Uvumelela kwake waba step beside the zela. Ifle nasekasi pake mutsathi sapena. And yeah, kama kila iskasi sokushindilise. Kama nenginge yingi that I had to deal with. I thought that now we're brothers of the alternate. Bebekaliela majibosi for a year but good. But I can't go up with that. I accept my little brother, but my little brother flew and chose to give my feelings drama. I'm guessing take me apart. Gonna know I'm gonna let go my tears fell in my palms. But I give that to my wife. Cause it just happened to you, my little brother. I'm gonna post it up on the movie, and I think it's a land. Now I'm going to be happy, but it's a bad bully. Go and have a salva. I'm not going to get a team. Travis, I'm going to get you now. I'm so I'm to the cleaner. Zip up with a bomb, it's a creeper. I'm sad as so much, I just want to put this up. Hallelujah. Dreams come to an end, ideas come to a blend. I saw your way, I said, man, and I'm just part of the fact. I was also my son, I'm a champion, but I bet you see what it is. I've been kissing your house, speak up, but nothing is, and nothing is, or something, so I think these are for something. One day, man, with my beat, how I
ready for hours ready. I'm feeling so easy, hey. Couldn't man believe in the young G. But I'm so sad I got to talk to Sole and put to Gila. Now what did that say party go up and see Dita? Never caught to MC shots and every Nazi and police. I see what touch, plus it's a door with easily a diesel. Set Bishop now, for when they go to shit. Happy gender, familiar, you see that. Set figure my code for them, can't get the victim, see that. I feel fair, man, that I'm massing on every I've been in a track of strange, I was in Papa's in training, but this sound next day. Don't make my trust away, the way so better, what t-shirt, not just gonna so better, what to you. Yes, if I get you flex, it's the fire, make you a friend, you a brother, how can I get the less than little bro? See the story of my blood, brother for blood. Let my talent up in the winner. Yes, so I said, I saw so easy. Is it just so that I so big yo? Yes, it's was one of the get if it's not a video. But we're building an empire, so let's move on. Show it if I really hope we are so good. Hey, because this is all that we get boss. See to the best with the same great boss. Get hope for posting no X-Wise. I'm like it, walk over my stand next girl. Don't give the ideas, man, they'll never be your rappers. Backwards like Jesus, so the brought the Bible. When you out to get now, it's that glory of sin. Me the pushing up in games, and I keep let's go. Hey. Thank you so much one more time. Thank you so much. The single is out to be the one. And then bring the footing, I'm getting a stable and say it's about 42. Nobiazo, I so wish nothing but the best for you, Jam. Coming up, I wish nothing but the best. So thank you so much to my mother noise, and one more time thank you to Toti by Nature, to Sia, who's don't share, who's very instrumental. Thank you to the radio stations. My name is Zao.
Yes, sir.
Right now, I want to bring on another performance piece from Usoke, something golden being featured on stage.
If I'm shopping, please you Money now and yellow, send me a Zulu. If I'm shopping, please you Money now and Sandra, I'm Katari. If I'm shopping, please you Money now and Sandra, I'm Katari. I'm so busy, uyikho konke lapha kimi uthando lwakho lunjengezulu nenkanyezi awunika uthando awunika uthando lwakho awunika uthando awunika uthando ngiyabonga ngelo samyezulu ingomhlophe inhliziyo yami nganele Mangiyawe ngelo samyezulu ingomhlophe inhliziyo yami nganele Mangiyawe sandwa akhathale ingomhlophe inhliziyo yami nganele Mangiyawe sandwa akhathale ingomhlophe inhliziyo yami nganele Mangiyawe sandwa akhathale ingomhlophe inhliziyo yami nganele
Thank you so much for that performance. Right now, I'd like to call out Ufalaba and Uzaga. It's time to hand out a couple of plaques to our Babalogi who made this project possible, made it go gold. Zaga and Ufalaba, can you please come up on stage? Okay, cool. We're about to hand out a few plaques right now. We'd like to call from Ukozi FM, Ketakwana, to come up on stage and get a plaque. Ketakwana from Ukozi FM. You guys were able to make this possible. Thank you so much.
Nice one. Nice one, beautiful. Congrats. Congrats, Ukozi. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ketakwana. Right now from Kakas FM, I'd like to call Upida up to the stage. Come get a plaque.
Yes.
Thank you so much for making this song possible. Thank you for sending us radio stations.
Family. It's family.
Thank you so much, Kinda. For Isolezwe, I'd like to call Utogozana and say, please come get a plaque. Utogozana, Isolezwe. For the main one, this is the biggest one. Thank you to producer XY in the building. Thank you. Please come up for your plaque. Without you, this project wouldn't be possible. Congratulations. Thank you, Zoe.
This side, right?
Thank you so much. I'm going to so I'd like to I'd like to hand this one over to Flava from Howard Illinois for votes of thanks. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming out. Flava.
Simbalan. Ngiyahluleka ukukhuluma. Angikwazi kahle but ngiyashaya. Sanibonga kakhulu to everyone who here today. From the publication side of things to the radio stations, to the industry at large. Sibonga kakhulu uNtokozo Zagwe singayi la today. So mfowethu qhubeka la ushiye khona. Having said those words, I'd just like to say I've been hearing this question quite often. Ukuthi kwenzekile ngamabala evukile angazi because amabala akazi yashona. As far as I know. Ngabe nizwile, ngabe ngitshelile vele. So we are back. Be on the lookout. I think khona okuzayo okuzomele lokulungiselela. Yeah, I think thank you very much for everyone who managed to come through today. Khona okuncane usizokwenza la. I think uholo usilungiselele nje. So we'll have lunch. I'm not sure with Q&As for the artists or for everyone. I think Pastor Kulman was tea just to give us a sense. There's a space that we prepared aside for artists and whoever they want to interview. So have a lovely afternoon. Thank you.